Hi, my name's Kruger, and I'm here to talk about one of the more exciting pieces of our new ShoreTel Connect on-site offering, and that's the Edge Gateway. It's the piece that provides the secure remote access to the system. Historically, for remote workers, whether they're traveling, working from home, or contact center agents who may always work from home, users not on the corporate network have had to struggle a bit to get connected. We've addressed that with the Edge Gateway. The Edge Gateway provides a holistic remote access solution for the new products in the Connect On-Site portfolio, including not only our 400 series phones, but also our new Windows and Macintosh clients, our contact center agent, and even the web collaboration software as well. It's all about providing the users of those endpoints the same consistent experience when they're remote as they get when they're on the corporate network. From the administrator's perspective, the priority was to make it brilliantly simple to deploy and administer, just one more component in the ShoreTel system. And from the customer's perspective, we wanted to make it very affordable, make the licensing very easy so that it would be readily deployed to provide that secure remote access. It's most importantly VPN-less. The user experience is identical when running, for example, the Windows or Macintosh desktop clients, when you're on the network, in the office, or when you're remote on the road. Completely transparent to the end user. It's centrally administered directly in the ShoreTel Director application. Software runs as a virtual machine, and I'll tell you a bit more about that here in a moment. But the most important thing is it provides one remote access solution for all the endpoints in the ShoreTel system. The best part is it's very scalable. You can bring up the Edge Gateway for just 5 or 10 users or hundreds of users. And you control that simply by allocating resources to that virtual appliance. So let me tell you a little bit more about the technologies involved in the Edge Gateway. And the first is the Remote Access Secure Tunneling, or RAST. That is a ShoreTel technology that provides both strong encryption to secure the connection over the internet, as well as ensures good voice quality for those connections. Most previous VPN technologies used the TCP protocol, and that tends to have some retransmission potential over the internet, and as a result, negatively impacts voice quality. With RAST, we use the UDP protocol. As a result, if packets do happen to get lost, they're not retransmitted. The voice sounds much better with a UDP-based tunnel than it does with a TCP-based one. And the Edge Gateway also acts as the reverse proxy for the desktop client. The reverse proxies that are implemented enable the desktop clients for Windows and Macintosh to connect and interact with voicemail and changing your availability states, the other user actions with the desktop client. There's another issue when workers are remote, and that is the address translation that typically occurs at the edge of the corporate network. That address translation impacts these remote tunnels, and there's a technology called Traversal Using Relay Around Network Address Translation, or TURN, that we've implemented to eliminate the issues that address translation can present. Bottom line, for the user, it's entirely transparent. But for the administrator, it makes the deployment just that much simpler. And with the advent of our new Connect on-site clients, we've implemented WebRTC, the new technology for making voice traffic behave better over the internet, providing higher voice quality as a result. So I've mentioned a couple times the endpoints supported. Now let me give you a more complete list. Of course, our 400 series phones support the Edge Gateway, from the 485G at the top of the line, the 480G, the 480, as well as the 420, the two-line entry-level phone. All four can be used remotely with the Edge Gateway. Then there are the ShoreTel Connect on-site desktop clients, the Macintosh and the Windows versions, our contact center agent, and the web collaboration component used with our collaboration services. All of those endpoints connect securely from any remote location through the Edge Gateway. Now, when it comes to deploying the Edge Gateway, there are a couple of choices. For a customer who already has the collaboration service appliance in their ShoreTel system, they'll likely deploy the collaboration server and the Edge Gateway both in the DMZ, that demilitarized zone between your corporate network and your public internet access point. But if you're doing a greenfield deployment of ShoreTel Connect on-site, we recommend you put the Edge Gateway in the DMZ, but put the collaboration server back in the corporate network. And when you put that gateway into the DMZ, you do need 3 different IP addresses. One for the RASP protocol, another for turn, and then a third for those reverse proxies. I also should note that for clients who are on Windows and using Microsoft's Direct Access VPN technology, our client is now completely compatible on those Windows platforms with Microsoft Direct Access. The Edge Gateway is a great complement to the power and flexibility of the ShoreTel Connect on-site system. It makes it seamless for users who are not located on the corporate network to connect securely from a remote location easily and affordably. Thanks for paying attention to this presentation on the Edge Gateway. If you want more information, simply contact your ShoreTel reseller, or if you don't have a partner, visit shoretel.com/find-a-reseller. Thank you very much.